Hey, hello, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with my Speak No Evil Halloween Makeup Monday look. So I did start out with a brown as my transition shade, black in my crease. I didn't pack it on too heavy because I know I'm going back with it. And then I'm taking this silver pigmented shade all over my lid, just packing that on. Then I'm going in with black on the outer corner and then dragging that up into my crease. Kind of a cut crease, but not really. So now I am taking my liquid latex, and this is from Spirit Halloween, and then I am taking paper towels and I'm just ripping off any excess that I might have done. You want to make sure that your lips are covered and a little bit past your lips. So I'm going to complete that step a few more times, covering with liquid latex and then putting another paper towel on, and then I'm doing it again and covering all of that up and then putting more on. And you want to make sure you're going outside of that perimeter with the liquid latex so that it kind of seals the edge. So I'm just going to keep on doing that until I see fit. I'm covering everything again. And you can do this as many times depending on how thick you want your little ripped lips to be. So I'm going to go ahead and allow that to dry all the way. I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer per usual. And then I'm going to blend that out with my wet beauty blender or damp beauty blender, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I drench my beauty blender completely and then just squeeze out as much as I can. But I'm just patting that all the way in and allowing my liquid latex to dry all the way, because we're going to come back to that. So once I am done with blending in all of this concealer, by the way, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Sassafras Concealer. I am going to go in and contour my face using my NYX Highlight and Contour palette, and this is in powder form. And then I am going to go in with my Fenty Beauty 390 foundation. I noticed that this damn paper towel was sucking up everything, so I did have to go back in and put a whole lot more out. It didn't spread like I'm used to it spreading, so I'm just going to go ahead and pack that on, making sure that I cover up all of the paper towel. And then I'm going in with my NYX Highlight and Contour kit in the same shade that I used to contour, and I'm just going to go over all of that. And it's going to oxidize in a little bit, but I'm also going to show you guys how to like camouflage that. So I'm just going in and deepening it up a bit with my contour shade. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, plug, $4. They still ain't sponsor me. But yeah, I'm just going in and creating a wing liner. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on my Top Echelon LLC.com lashes. Y'all know I love my Top Echelon lashes. They last me forever. I believe I've had this pair for like over a year. They are just, the longevity is ridiculous. So now I'm taking my tweezers, my eyelash tweezers, and poking a hole in it. Be very careful. I wish I had a smaller pair of scissors while I was doing this. I was scared as hell. And I'm cutting across like where the opening of my lips is. I just punched the other side of the scissors through the tape and then continue the cut. And now I'm going to like just open it up a little bit more, but other than that, I'm going to just cut like at the rim because I need the opening to be a little bit bigger. So, you know, just do what you feel. You can do your look differently. I'm just opening up my little mouth part a bit, and then I am taking my fingers and stretching it out so that it's like wavy looking instead of just being kind of straight across. You want it to be kind of weird wavy because you want it to look like, you know, like skin that has been like broken. So I'm just stretching that out. And then to camouflage the lips, I'm just doing that with some black eyeshadow. I was going to use face paint, but I had somewhere to go. So I just did some eyeshadow. And then I'm taking the foundation again and I'm just going over that. And then I'm taking some Demon Blood from Spirit Halloween, going over that edge. So any white that I still see, I'm just going to cover that in the Demon Blood. So that's going to give that edge, you know, that broken look because it's, you know, dried up blood. Demon Blood is like a purpley red. So that's why I felt like that would be perfect, not vampire red, which is a bright, super bright red. So I'm just going in and putting that there. Now I'm going to add my safety pins, and I got these from Dollar Tree. Of course, they was Azala, and be very, very careful because I did poke myself just a little bit, but I'm just putting it through the bottom, then sticking it through the top of that tape, and then I am securing it. So I'm just going to go all the way across and do that, and then at the end I'm going to take that vampire blood, put it all over that area. That's also going to camouflage like the edge of my paper towels and liquid latex. Then I'm also decided that I wanted to put some on my face too, because I just felt like it kind of tied everything all together. You can do less blood or more blood, it is all up to you. But this is the finished look. I really enjoyed it. This was like my first time ever using liquid latex, so it was super fun. It was way easier than I thought it was going to be. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss the last Halloween Makeup Monday next week. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.